yonke into
Izothiwani-ke manje i-headboard eblack ngapha i-headboard eblack. Hayi sekuzothiwani-ke
uthanda ukukhuluma.
sekuzothiwa imina okopele wena obvious ukuthi wena okopele mina.
Yimi engithenge qala angithi I'm your role model. Hi everyone, I'm back again. Ngeke ngangenela ngathi ngiyadlala abantu dombe bengayimisele ngokudlala ngathi oncane ngami bengafuna nokuthepha iscreen. Manje ngiyayibhoreka Nkosi.
Bapha abanye kumele asifake abantu abayithu. Inetwork yami yo.
I think nginomuntu oyi-1 engimaziyo mina Nkosi yami. Ngapha uzongena uThabo ozami ngapha esayidini lakho.
Sonke thina abantu esistreamayo sazi abantu abafanayo so.
Serious.
Salmona.
Hi Thabo.
Hi Thabo.
Le shop.
Le teng.
And you?
Hayi le another day, right?
Uyamazi noThabo?
Angiyakutshela ukuthi sonke siyazana.
I get Angas on that side, the side lakho Thabo awunamuntu esifonga am-add senze ilo.
Think check. Kick hamba kanjani ugrand? Let me check. Mina ngibona umuntu ngapha kimi.
Nawe ngapho alawubona umuntu.
Abantu ba live.
Inupopompe engimaziyo.
Ukhona yena upopompe.
Ulive bamginqizisa. Sifaka uThaku, kinga uThaku ucela ukudlala kusimfake.
Ubani?
uThaku.
Ngiyambonile nami uThaku lapho.
Hamba ngongena session njani? My mom is here.
Ngimyekile mina.
Thaku.
Hello.
What's up? Are you good?
How are you?
I'm doing good.
I am good.
How is everybody here?
Everybody is doing good, my friend. Long time.
What's your
Uyabona
name?
into ezenza ukuthi uKhathako ungamfaki kwenzani manje?
Tabo! How bro? Are you good, Tabo? Hi, I'm all good. How are you? I'm doing good. Do you have guinya there? Do you have guinya there? Guinya for what now? Guinya to eat, Mos. You don't know guinya? No, I don't have. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. It's okay. Makaguchi, how are you?
I'm good. Did you see I sent you a lion today?
Alisan, you a lion? I would. Jesus Christ. I won't be able to wake up if you send me a lion.
Sidlala is solo game or a match game?
I think solo game is better.
Singadlala ngama-team.
Well, let's play.
Hayi mara ngeke. Umuntu akazimele.
Umuntu akayilwele bakithi akayilwele.
Karabo. Thank you, Karabo. Appreciate Karabo. Thank you so much. Appreciate.
No, Rosa, thank you for the follow, guys. Okay, guys, it's a 1,000 coin game or what? We didn't specify what.
Family, let's all double tap. Let's all double tap. Let's all double tap. Let's win.
1,000.
First gift is ×3. First gift is ×3.
Guys, first gift is ×3. Now let's play together as a team.
I already told them. You know.
Everyone, let's tap.
Has everybody be double tap chat? See you guys. I'll see you.
Guys, screen. I know this is our first game. We won't just poop.
First gift is ×3.
How?
Let's
Talk
win.
not on my watch. Not on my watch.
Let's
Thank you, John.
win.
Thank you so much. Guys, for now, can you please all tap the screen name?
SP. Spider-Man. Spider-Man. Trevor!
Guys, ngicela sonke step screen. Can you please all tap the
Steffi,
screen?
thank you
For
so
now, we are
much.
tapping the screen while we are waiting for the speed. Ma'am, Sam, can you please wait for the speed, ne, babe? The speed is here times 3 walk, babe. I'm going to smush my coin ganjal. Kumele si unlock. After unlocking, we are.
Santona, thank you for my taps. Guys, about the tap screen. Thank you so much. Yeah, guys, we need 10 roses. If no more rose out 10, guys, can I get 10 roses?
Guys, ngicela ama roses. Ma'am, please tell us some. Ngicela ama roses out 10 before kuphela isikhathi. Can I please have 10 roses?
Pungan, a long time, bro. What's up? Thank you for
10
the roses.
ngilungami, baby.
Ngiyabonga nina enithephayo. Thank you for
Appreciate it.
tapping. But we need to
Larosa,
activate.
thank you for the follow.
Need to activate.
Because I'm 10 roses, guys. My network issue.
Hey, my brother, I'm okay,
Commenting
bro.
to
Long time.
because I don't know whether my network is fine or what. Ma'am Julie, 5 more roses left. Guys, let's support Ma'am Julie. Ngiyadlala one. Ngiyacela. I understand no my network yami noma yini. Mashenge, thank you for joining. CPK, thank you, baby. Wait. CPK, man, baby. Imane. I'm slow. Manin manje, let's wait for the speed. CPK, can you please be my fighter so that I can win this game? Let me follow you guys back.
Mtshane, why you thula manje ukubulisa?
Mamdluli ngimfollowing. On a times 3, guys, we sent ama gifts. As we speak 1,000. This is a 1,000 quite game.
Are you warm,
We
my
must
brother?
fight for. Guys, we must work for 1,000 times 3 uqalile guys. Sipikeni mamdluli ngiyacela ukuthi mina ngidakulo gibeni. Ama roses awangena ku times
So much,
2.
my brother. Guys, triple.
Donuts and above on a times 3 guys.
Triple.
Your social waste cards 20 seconds ususele. Guys, let's work together.
Thank you so much, bro. Let's go. Are we playing? What do you say we playing?
1005 game.
Oh. Juan, thank you so much, bro. Guys, go.
Guys, ngiyabona ukuthi ngale ukuthi badlala kamnandi kanjani.
Guys, work together on the triples. Work together. Hey, Bushe. Ngiyabona, King.
How Kosiami? CPK ngibona late what me ufaka ngani speeding. CPK on the next time ngiyabona ukuthi ngama questions understand the game babe. If kusese ispeed ne ilapho drop khona khane ezo timezeka. If sithi speed usuke ku timezeka emi-gives. If ngoba usendele u100 ngabe bo 300 kulesa speed ne. We understand. If kukuthi understand ngicela ngibhale ama comment section. If you understand you must tell me again.
Nah, it's okay, bro. It's okay. Because we're very much close.
Let's win, family. Let's win. Let's keep double tapping. Stranger again. Appreciate.
Thank you, Dad. Thank you. You unlocked. You should have said that on the speed. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Right,
stranger.
guys,
Appreciate.
tapping the screen, nah.
Let's go double tap. Stranger.
Let's keep pushing the taps, guys.
Jesus Christ.
And you unlocked the forever rose.
Alright,
Thank
guys,
you
we've got
so
a club,
much.
right? Let's try,
Guys, we are short with on this.
Family, let's snipe.
Guys, let's snipe. We must win this, guys. Let's snipe, guys. Utapia leader, guys. Let's snipe,
Or
guys.
anything, family. Anything.
Let's snipe.
Anything, family. Anything. Let's snipe. Anything. Let's snipe. Was
The gifted berry, can you please wait for the next game? For the next game, so that you understand the speed. I'm begging you.
Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ.
Okay, guys, because Vele, there's no one who reach 1,000. So, Siafana, it's a 1,000 quad game. Not like Manje Kono Winega cool. So, let's work on the next game.
It's
We must make sure we are 1,000 and above. The gifted, thank you. CPK, thank you. Mam Musle. Joka, Tando, Pretty, OM, Mam Bella, thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate you. The gifted, Nyaktalung Sebenzele on a speed. Can you please work on a speed, my baby? Please, I'm begging you. Now with CPK, I saw you sent
Black Queen, thank you so much.
If we're going to speed, guys, we must work. If I'm saying the speed is on, we must work. It's a 1,005K.
Black Queen, thank you so much for the roses. Appreciate it. With the hammer.
Or a galaxy.
Why me?
Because your name is Maxele. Enigma.
Guys, times 3 uqalile. Times 3 uqalile Nkosi yami.
Appreciate Enigma.
CPK,
Thank you
say
so much.
something
Black
before
Queen,
kuphela
thank
20
you so much.
seconds. Yabo isikhathi
Appreciate.
siyaphela. The
Black
gift said,
Queen,
can you please
thank
send me
you.
on
Why
this
your
gift if you
heart?
send something on
Your
the
heart didn't
on the
work.
speed if you send something. Guys, cela abanye, can you please all tap the screen, guys? Thank you, CPK. Nakog, you only send one on
Family,
this
let's
one.
get to
You only
1,000.
send
We have
one
to keep
gift.
them quiet.
It's a first
All of them. They
gift
need
in
to
times
put
again.
it.
The other ones
When I
are
give
times
them
8.
Queen,
Thank you so much,
okay?
CPK. Thank you, baby. I really appreciate you.
Only one person.
Thank you
Manje,
so
can you
much.
please all tap the screen, guys? On a second
Thank
speed,
you,
we are going to
Enigma.
1,000.
Thank you, Stranger. Thank you, Black Queen. Appreciate. I'm not sure.
Can you please all tap the screen? I'm expecting
Appreciate, Stranger. Thank you so much.
Appreciate.
Appreciate. Family bonus mission is coming.
Alright, guys, we've got
Bonus
bonus
mission
mission,
is
right?
coming.
All double tap chat.
Baby shakuru kuru kuru, baby shakuru kuru kuru, baby shakuru kuru.
Let's share the live, guys. Let's repost the live.
Guys, let's unlock
Stranger, thank you so much. Appreciate.
ayakhuphula nje ukuthi sizowina
Yeah,
babe.
repost chat.
Family, we need
Guys, can
one
I please
rosa.
have 10 roses, guys? 10 roses.
One
please,
rosa,
please.
family. One rosa. One rosa. One rosa. Appreciate. Thank you so much, Stranger.
Alright, guys, we need one rosa. One rosa, 10 with 20.
Baby shakuru kuru kuru, baby
It's enough.
shakuru.
Thandeka. Thank you. Mihle. Yabona le group work esiyenzeka manje ile ngithanda impela. Manje we are working together.
Jesus Christ.
Mamdluli is here.
Ali, I can't see your number.
This game, we need to
Jesus.
win this game.
What's your plan? What's your plan? Tell us. Maybe we are behind.
Wendy, can you please wait for this page? Thandeka
Somebody
ima
please.
page.
Right at this
Isiqala
number. I
manje
can't
bese
see it.
uyadraw.
I can't see it. I'm John Cena, me. Now you see me now.
Wendy, I'm begging you, Sando Sam. Mhlongo
Thank you so much. Times 2 is coming soon, family. Times 2 is coming
Espeedini
soon.
ngiyacela ungidrophele something big. Ama roses abangena espeedini guys. Thandeka stop
Times 2 is
sending
coming
us
soon.
ayikakangeni
2
ispeedini.
is coming soon. Appreciate. Thank you so much, Vuhu, for the number.
Times 2 uqalile nkosami. Thandeka kusungadropa but please don't drop ama roses. Wendy
Times
guys, let's
3,
drop your
family.
nuts and
Times
above the
3.
speed.
Times 3. Times 3.
Nuts and
Times
above the
3.
speed.
Times 3.
CPK, we don't drop ama roses
Times 3.
espeedini.
Times
Ama
3.
roses awangena espeedini.
Maria.
Thank you, CPK.
Maria in the
Tula on my
building.
con. Shut up, tap on my cons.
DK. What's
Shut
up?
up on my cons. Guys, times 2 akakapheli.
Family, let's order but
Hayi wena.
appreciate. Jesus Christ. What didn't see?
How? The only thing that you can see amakunyanch. That's the only thing you know. Look at my score and respect me. Guys, it's Peter's CPK. Thank you so much, baby. Thank you. I
That's
really
my
appreciate it. Thandeka nayo ngito edropa kuyilokhunje. We speed. Ama rosa wangeni mthandosi. Thank you, Deka.
I wonder.
CPK, did you send something else? Or is it my network?
Network from Temu.
CPK bese ipe. CPK bese kuphela speed. Nyasho ukuthi akusini network bese kuphela speed. Ukhulumani wena nePentecost ekhanda uthula umsindo. Qala uwin. Nina ninothabo no Ali ngathi ngihamba nodlala nodwa. Cause ngicabanga ujalo ukuthi kudlalwa iSoweto Love la.
Hey man.
Umunye lokho ethula ucijisa umlomo. Uliwela uthi uyadlala we Ali. Akasadamukisi ngathi ake yiso mewi. Thank you so much, guys. Ubani Gombelo ngisendelile uCPK. Thank you, baby. I really appreciate it. Yini second akuphi mfoka ulokho nje. I don't know what are you talking about.
Focus.
Guys, everybody that double tap. Thank you so much. Appreciate it, chat. No problem.
Yo, funky.
Those we tap, guys. It's okay. That's
Black
what matters.
Queen.
Style sakhe bakithi.
You've leveled up, my queen. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Animuyeki isicelo sakhe.
That's right. Family, we're playing a punishment
Animuyeki.
game here.
CPK, thank you so much. Sandeka, thank you,
One of us
Wendy.
get over 1,000.
Fast kanje send the
Gonna
invite.
punish us by
FK,
going somewhere.
Mr. Tando, thank you so much.
That's
CPK, you're
fair.
very glad.
We don't want
You
to
know,
go
Tandeka,
silent.
Futhi nje
Guys,
kumele
let's go. Let's
nisize.
all tap, 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 tap.
We have to sing. They have to get annoyed.
Wena nedi mangicala ukuwina ngifuna ukucala ngawe nje.
Jesus Christ.
Ba.
Jesus.
Lengane le lapha phansi. Qala ngawe uzobiza uma wakho.
Guys, first time 3. First gift is
Time
time
3
3.
family. First gift is time 3. Black Queen, thank
CPK,
you
can
so
you
much.
please send something here? But my success and the
Time
speed.
3
When the
family.
first
Time
speed, you only
3.
send
Let's
one
get
gift.
there. Let's get there before they get.
Let's give this triple.
Times 3 family. Times 3. Times
Makuphela
3.
isikhathi guys ungasasend the next issue drop iclave. Okay,
If we
it's fine.
can't say anything,
Let
guys, we
ufake
tap,
eclavini CPK. Can you please eclavini
tap,
sithando sami?
tap the screen chat.
Loving, Haibo, Genie.
Simplicity, thank you for the likes. Tap, right? It's okay even if we can't.
Guys, everyone cela gives eclave. Anisathe in screen again manje. Nize nenye ngithanda keep kwami yasinini.
No.
Oh, siyaphela CPK isikhathi lapha eclavini.
Angazi ukuthi bafuna kwenzele njani.
Black Queen. Bravo. Thank you so much.
Guys, why ngathi ngafuna ukudlala namhlanje? Angene ngixoleni.
This is my last match. Okay, I'm just gonna.
Hey, Shanti, thank you for that. Are you good?
Why you display that gloves and don't use it, Maga coach? Sometimes.
Guys, cela ama rose awu2. Can you please have
2 roses. One more rose. Thank you
Guys,
so
2
much.
roses from 2 different people, please.
One more rose, family. One more rose. One more rose. Black Queen.
Weapons.
From one different person. One rose.
Then call ilows thandeka ilows bakithi kuphela isikhathi mina ngithanda mangimemeza namhlanje ngiphethe iflu angikhona ungimemeza.
One rose.
Yebo, thank you for joining.
Thank you so much, Black
Okay,
Queen.
ulate babe. Yaboza
No problem.
ubuyile
Mazondo.
egemini ezayo sani.
Another display the globe.
Thandeka wait. Uyabo uthandeka ukuthi bengithi faka nama rose nangawafaka.
Black Queen, thank you so much. Housewife to
Ase
buy.
ngithungise nawafaka.
Awushem
Thank
unomuntu
you.
onesibongo sami lapho unkambule.
Kuphi kimi?
Uncle Peter.
Ngicela ukubona
So
umuntu
what-
onesibongo sami ku TikTok. Yo, it's the first time.
Iglove sini.
Usufuna eze ngapha ezogift isikhohlakala sentombazana.
Isiswati.
Nami ngokwaKambule.
Uyasazi nazo inkambule ukuthi isithini.
Room 4. Uncle Peter.
Guys, asilinde ngikemeza.
Anyone with a snap, guys, we try
Sebefuna
to snap.
ukungitshontsha bakithi Sandeka. Sebefuna ukungitshontsha. Ayikhonali. Wendy baby. Namhlanje ngikubona kuma tabs. Sixabene. Oh, ngcono kuma uThep.
Ayingeke shini.
I just want to say.
Angiboni even anyone nje.
Jesus Christ. Sorry, babe.
Okay, trust the door. Okay.
Guys, let's go, everybody. We double tap chat. We keep tapping the screen, right? We tap share the live, guys, right? We tap, we share the live. No problem.
Hawunanga umahloti mos.
Him, thank you for the likes, my brother.
Let's go guys.
Thank you so much. Guys, please try to snap if you can.
Spider, thank you so much, Spider. Okay, thank you so much, friends. Appreciate.
Uncle.
Play next time.
Ndekathando makhoma.
Sizo-eda
Alright,
bani
guys,
manje?
enough stress again. I'm outing and shit.
Naba seye kubomahlodi ke. Okay.
Asiyeke nami ngicabanga lokho asiyeke kumahlodi.
Okay, athi ngiya-add. Unobani umahlodi lapha? Live match in progress.
Akekho nombali, because umbali omunye ngimbone live.
Umbali kukhona but why bangathi? Hayi bo kumele si-end igame.
Enda ke.
That's why banga-edeki. Awunayo enye ifoni lapho?
Anginayo. Guys, cela niye kumahlodi nemtshela as-ede nengiyangicela. Why is Noxot akumazi ngimthole
Yeah, kufuneka someone ozobatshela ukuthi uyangizwa? Unokuzotha ngathi uhambile ngisho.
Ukuphi?
Yazi mina nginama-problems ke manje. Akayanga uthe ngathi uzoya kumemulo something.
Oh.
I'm not sure if uhambile or usazohamba. Abaveli lapha esayidini lakho na ifoni nayo mina yazi since ngilana nje inetwork yami yo.
Ayavela but umahlodi uku-live page.
Khona umuntu someone
Saint,
needs
can
to
you please
go
go to Mahlodi's live? Ubatshela ukuthi sicela besi-add. Ane, uyamazi noMahlodi? Pretty ngicela uye kuye umtshela ukuthi sacela as-add. Niyamazi niqala uMahlodi ukhuluma ngaye. Mahlodi ngicela niye kuye ngalani kuye ne-respond.
owazi uMahlodi must go even on my side if khona umaziyo please go. Ama-moderator wekho wonke la.
Okay,
kumele basho phela if abasafuna ukuba ama-moderator kumele bakhulume ngoba abekho manje. Uba lapho
ayisuka yayo. Mandi.
sebefike kanjani ezosidina. This week nje kumele ngithole ilayona ngeke noma i-universe.
Sini?
This week kumele ngithole i-universe kumnyama kubofu.
Ngiyalithanda ngoba you yini?
I need to make sure. Basahambile basayomtshela.
Abakabuyi.
Wonder ukuthi udlala nobani. Ngathola ukuthi udlala ubakojela uTsebi. Ngeke I'm sure badlala ababiza umbali. I think uyena.
Umbali akanayo profile picture kuvela products.
Umbali ukhona naye ulive. Uthi nje azi.
Kuthi uMahlodi unesimokhunyana boma singathola yena. Ezovusa abantu nyana isuka. They said they will add you after 15 minutes. After 15 minutes? Almost after the game. Oh, after 15. 9:15, all right. 7:15, I mean.
Basho usho ukuthini noma usho mabaqeda le game.
Udlala nobani wePretty ngali yabe noSaint?
UnoTsebi. After
Okay.
15.
Oh.
Abathi after 15 games.
Bafti 7:15. I think. I don't know after 15.
7:16 phela manje.
Maybe ke pay.
Ngibacheki.
And abantu bayabhoreka manje bayaphuma lapha.
Kufuneka bona ukuzotha.
Unokuzothi angimazi because angimuthi ngokubetheka imigqa.
Lama game lawa. Yabo lama game lawa ama 1000 quiet game. Awafuna ukuthi uwadlale nabantu abayi1 every day. Abantu
Bagcina abantu bejwayela
sebayazi
abantu labo. Yabo
ukuthi
manje bafuna usimali.
abajwayeli ukuthi bafunani. Funeka nushintshe. Have to change ukube nabantu abasha. Ngizogcina ninganawo ama-gifts because ama-gifts ayahamba. Fanele ushintshe kube nabantu abasha like kungabi same people every day. Kumele uhlale u-introduce abantu abasha. That's why sometimes ngiyawayeka ngiyodlala nabantu laba I think. They didn't mean. So Tile.
Yeah?
Are you back?
Yeah?
What is Nate doing?
She's playing music.
You want to sleep?
No.
What do you want?
I'm just checking what you do.
I'm live.
Okay.
Where's your Coco?
I don't know.
You haven't seen her.
Yeah. I only messaged her when she told me that my friends were knocking.
No, I mean Coco Cindy.
Oh, no. I haven't seen her.
Hayi uMahlodi shoot akekho serious bakithi. Thepi anibuza uMahlodi ukuthi sengithi Thepi. Pretty cela niye kuye ninosayid nimbuza ukuthi uzoseta what time isikhathi si-straight. Maybe nabantu abazwanga ukuthi kuthiweni because omunye uthi after game omunye uthi 15.
Uthi no, it doesn't make sense. Kufanele ngabe isiphelile igame yabo manje. Even noma kuthiwa sebefake engenayo kumele ngabe isiphelile. Sidele isikhathi. Oh Milo. Hayi nda. Bathini kodwa? Hey. Khona batholayo lapho.
Ababuyi na kwi-comment section.
Into engathi igame yabo iyashisa.
Yes.
Angeke phela. Bora nayi labantu abastuck lana akuthepwa, nothing is going on. Like,
Yeah, and abantu bami bayahamba shem.
that's good. Thank you for the tips, sis.
Ayi,
Tell us tap in. Let's tap. Hayi, labantu laba basi-8.
bye. Makuthi bayas-add, mabethi bayak-add ungi-add ne.
Yeah, uzo-add umuntu.
Makuthi
Asidlale
angithi kumahlodi bawuqhubha.
bazosithola phambili.
Asihlale.
Angeke ngikuthuke ungasabi.
Bangangikora nabantu bami namhlanje angazi ukuthi why abafuni nokuthepha iscreen. Namhlanje I don't know.
Ngine-stress kabi mina kukho umuntu engizomthoka.
Guys, ngicela sithephe sonke iscreen. Othi ngiphinde ngizame ukufonela noma ukuzotha ngiyabuya.
Yeah. Mwah. Mayizuzu. Omunye akafake something so that it can go to 1,000. It says 1,000. Angelina. Clever. Who users always passing here? Can't even say hi, can't even drop a rose. Just a spirit. Just a spirit. Oh, hi. Spirit nje ingasidingi. Thank you for featuring me. Thank you. Thank you, boy. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, boy. Thank you. Thank you. Can we do three
Guys, can
rows?
I please have 3 roses?
Yes, you
Guys,
boy.
tell my rose out 3 guys. Let's play. We are not playing. Our guys. Lerin Tabi, thank you for joining me.
Sithukisa ngabo
Londi,
manje.
guys, 2 more roses. Nyabona, you couldn't reach its target.
Angelina. Hayi uyabona ke shema amabhuku. Izinto zakho zimnyama sis. I think nje lo mfana wakho othandana naye ukufakela amabhati sisimele umiyeke yazi. Mele ungabodlala embhedeni olala kibo nabafana isinye isikhathi. Kuyamosha mina. Ukuthi ungadlala ama-game ulapha embhedeni ogicela khona nabafana. Abantu bamakhumbi. Okay, mfana wami. Okay, mfana wami. Mfana wami, okay. Ukuthi ungadlala ama-game embhedeni la ugicika khona nabafana wesiphathi abosomatekisi bageza kangaka ngezinto ezi-wrong. Ngicabanga ukuthi izinto zakho zizohamba kahle. Obviously ngeke into zakho zihambe kahle. Ngathi ngathola i-rice, chicken, butternut, spinach, chakalaka, konke lapha.
wena ungithiwa kanjani ungakafiki na awukafiki na ku-1000 mara sokwazi ukuvula umlomo
Yini lento
wakho
soyibambe ngesandla lapho? Ngeke ukusize lokho. Unokuthuka ngayo lento yakho ngifika 1000 uzongibona sekhonto engiyicabangile. Sekhona into engiyicabangile.
guys mara thibela ningitshele
Sekhona nje into engiyicabangile. Mina abantu angazi futhi sibenzeni bakithi. Cabanga nje sengi-close kanje 2000. Like this is so bad. Yazi kunzima outside. Yabona nje kunzima.
lapho igift salary yami ibhicwele
Yeah, my
isivele nje
uni.
ezinye izinto ukuthi engingazazi nokuthi ngiyinyaphi.
At least mara yazi uphushile gift galari.
But ngiyobe ngiyinyepha amali yayo nama-university
Level.
nama-interstela.
Cabanga ke. Mina ngiku-10 wena.
Awa ukho umehluko nje lapho.
Ngicela si-gift-eni i-money gun on speed fam. I-money gun on speed can make
Okay
a
guys,
difference.
kule game le ezayo guys, let's play together. Asilaleni sonke guys, singabhorisi igame. Khona abantu abangenile nje la benginele ukuzo-entertaina yini. So guys, if you have something, just drop it. If ungena next week, don't leave. I don't know if I'm in church and
Let's try to play. On first give sense too. If one person just drops a money gun, that's all that umuntu. We need someone to drop a money gun. Only one person is
izinto zimane ukwenzeka. Ifoni yami iqulekile angazi kwenzakalani ngayo manje. Ifoni. What? I don't know what's happening. Ilokhu scroller so. I think ishisa too much. Kumele ngiyipolice.
we have a yo.